Are shorts the death of long-form videos? It's no secret that short-form content is having a renaissance. YouTube's launch of Shorts is the latest example of a social platform prioritizing snackable content. And it's sparked an ongoing debate for creators. Is short-form or long-form better for your content strategy? Shorts amass 30 billion views across the world every day. And some YouTubers are worried they're taking over the platform. In the midst of all this chatter, you might be wondering if it's time to make the switch to short form or if your long form content can survive the disruption. We'll dive into each case for each side, how they benefit creators and resonate with viewers. More importantly, we want to help you understand what the future of YouTube has in store. The case for Shorts. Short form is booming, and everyone is cashing in. Much of the fear around short-form content domination comes from TikTok's recent success. The platform's growth trajectory has been nothing short of astonishing. From 2020 to 2021, its global users increased by 200 million users and is expected to hit 656 million total users. This figure is projected to near 1 billion users by 2025. It's no surprise the short-form only platform has surpassed the user engagement of other major social platforms. Everyone wants in on the short-form game. Instagram has released Reels, and of course YouTube has Shorts. But Shorts move quickly. Part of Shorts' success stems from how quick and easy it is to create content. In a world where trends change by the day, acting fast is critical. Short-form content is often more casual than long-form videos, which means less time spent editing and scripting. That's not to say don't spend time planning your shorts, but it does mean posting can sometimes be as simple as cropping an existing video and adding a trending sound. It's worth noting though, YouTube is investing in Shorts. YouTube is continuously releasing new features for Shorts, and even announced a new monetization strategy to help creators earn. It's all about ad revenue sharing, baby. This section of the video platform doesn't seem to be going anywhere, but will it take over the entire platform? That remains to be seen. What about the case for long form? YouTube's bread and butter. YouTube was founded on long form content, which is why so many creators have flocked here over the years. The average YouTube video length is more than 10 minutes. Some videos stretch even longer, especially with creators posting complete gameplay walkthroughs or vlogs of their entire day. Generally though, people have a lot to say, and 60 seconds just isn't enough time. And though it may change with the recent updates to Shorts monetization strategy, longer videos often generate more income for creators. So what does that mean? Viewers want more! Making bite-sized videos is an easy way to get your content out there, but long-form is a place to dive into the good stuff. Nearly 2/3 of Gen Z discover videos on a short-form platform before watching the longer videos. As obvious as it sounds, people want more. Viewers crave in-depth analysis on their favorite topics. Searches for video essays on YouTube have steadily increased over the past couple of years. These videos often range from 25 minutes to an hour, sometimes even longer. And here's the thing, even TikTok might be shifting to long form. Despite the widespread success of short form, TikTok is surprisingly adding new features that echo traditional YouTube. You heard that right. The short-form content giant has increased their video time limit and recently tested horizontal video support. While these moves might seem alarming to YouTube, they signify continued dedication to traditional long-form content. Where does that leave us? Clearly, shorts are a big part of YouTube's future, but long-form isn't going anywhere, at least for now. The truth is, most creators can benefit from a combination of both. It'll ultimately be about finding a balance between short and long-form content that maximizes your viewership and makes the most out of all of your content. So, what do you think? Cast your votes for shorts, long-form, or both in the comments below. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, especially if you want to hear some more YouTube creator advice. See you later.
Yep.